In this video, I'll show you how to build a tree log planter. Let's get right to it. This log has been sitting in my backyard for several years. It's been patiently waiting for me to pay it some attention. Well, today is the day. Let's go, old friend. I'm going to cut out the top portion so I can add some soil and flowers. The easiest way to do this would be with a chainsaw, but I don't have one. Instead, I'll try a couple of other methods to see which works best. I'll start with my circular saw. Not very effective, so I'll switch to the drill. I'm using a 1-inch spade bit here. Despite making relatively slow progress, this technique seems to be working. I'm drilling numerous holes around the area I want removed. I'll be sure to clean as I go. Now I'll angle the drill to tear up as much of the leftover material as possible. I decided to give it a go with a bar and hammer. Results were limited, so I went back to the drill method. How wide and how deep you go all depends on what you plan on planting. I'm not going too deep, as I'll just have some small annuals and a few small bulbs in it. It's a good idea to put in some drain holes to prevent your plants from drowning. I'm making 2 angular channels that'll allow any rainwater to escape easily. I'll use a chisel to straighten out the top edge and smooth down the walls. Now you could just stop here, but I'm going to use my angle grinder with a wire brush to sand down the top rim and walls. Again, this is not necessary as it'll be filled with soil anyways, but a nice added touch. It can get pretty dusty, so using a mask and some face protection is necessary for this part. Okay, it's time to relocate back to the garden area. Before I add any flowers, I want to do a water test just to make sure those drain holes work properly. Looks nice and leaky. Let's get some soil and plants in. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video and take away some ideas for your own projects. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.